this is all of my favorite flavors in one place. So I have the sourdough bread here that we did the video on. So we're just gonna throw this sandwich together. I've got orange marmalade, a little bit of grapefruit, a little Dijon, some arugula, and the Pacific roasted red pepper and tomato soup. These, so good. Some bacon. All right, super fast to throw together. Just nice slathering of Dijon mustard. Just a little bit of the orange marmalade here, and what I actually love about this is that the marmalade pieces, the little orange pieces, actually can get pressed down into the pockets of the bread. So you get these nice little pops of orange flavor with the Dijon. I love orange and Dijon together, and that is an orange mustard it's a very special thing, in my opinion. And then we have Havarti cheese. This is a perfect cheese for this sandwich because it just melts. It's nice and stringy. And we've got our 2 pieces of bacon. And then we lay down our arugula. Sando, delicioso. And I just pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds to just melt the cheese and kind of warm everything back up again. So what works for this dish in the best possible ways is the mustard it's tangy, it's a little spicy, a little sweet. The orange marmalade's a little bit sweet with really nice bright orange flavors. The bacon's salty, it's crunchy, the bread's crunchy. Toasted on the griddle with a little bit of butter. The arugula is really nice and bitter and spicy, so it counterbalances all the other flavors that are in the sandwich. And then to top it off, we have the roasted red pepper and tomato soup. So it's basically just a bacon grilled cheese sando with tomato soup. This is really nice for when you want to duck the bread into the soup, or if you just want to go back and forth between some really counterbalancing flavors.